Welcome to MBS Daylight for Sketchup's tutorial for Neighbour Analysis. Before we start, let's set up project scheme to Neighbour Analysis. Next, we need to convert the model. To do this, open the conversion dialog and click the Convert button. Since I will be running the calculations on the GPU, I have selected the Convert to GPU option. Our software supports both GPU and CPU processing. If you want to run calculations on a GPU, ensure that your system has a compatible graphics card installed. You can find detailed information about supported graphics cards on our website. Please follow the link provided next to the Convert to GPU option. Additionally, to run calculations on a GPU, both the front and back faces must have the same material. If you are unsure whether the front and back faces have the same material, you can click the Apply Same Material to Front and Back button, which will automatically apply the same material to both faces. Our model has been successfully converted. Now, let's run the neighbor calculation. To do this, open the Run dialog. Make sure you are in the BRE regulations. Select the calculation you are interested in and click Add to List. Adjust the rendering method according to your needs, then click the Run button. Bear in mind that you need the correct graphics card configuration to run the calculation on the GPU. After the completion of the calculation, the results are plotted in the model. Make sure the indicator tags are visible. You can see that the traffic lights now have some colors on them, and the numerical data are displayed as text. Each traffic light marker is divided into 3 distinct areas. Circular-shaped lozenges indicate the VSC value, which appears as green, orange, or red depending on whether it passes or fails. An orange indicator means the value is within 1% of passing but is still failing. Additionally, the letter A represents annual probable sunlight hours, and W represents winter probable sunlight hours. Now, let's have a look at no skyline results. Let's make rooms results tag visible. Here you can find 3 different graphical results for existing, proposed, and ratio. You can also view non-skyline values in text format. To do this, locate the room results text tags and make them visible. On the screen, the results for existing, proposed, and ratios for DD and ADF are displayed. Any output generated by the calculation based on the Waldram diagram produces a Waldram image. To access it, navigate to the job folder by clicking the folder icon in the menu, and then open the Waldram diagrams folder. In the image displayed on the screen, the existing and proposed designs are overlaid on each other, providing a clear indication of their impact. Similarly, the existing and proposed values are shown in the top right corner. Additionally, MBS software produces tabular results that you can access in CSV or Excel format. You can define the report output type using the Report Settings option in the Settings dialog.